Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we'll see how you can set the cost rate of a member in a project. Here we have a project. To set the cost rate of a member, click on the three dots next to the project name and choose Edit Project. Navigate to the Billing section and select Time and Materials. Here you can either set a fixed hourly rate for the entire project, or you can set the cost rate of individual members. Let's set the cost rate of individual members. Click on this drop-down menu, choose Person Billing. Then select the individual. Enter the cost rate and click Add Person. As you can see, we just added a person's cost rate. To add another person, click on Select Person. Choose the person from the list, input their cost rate, and click Add Person. We've now added the cost rates for 2 members. If you want to invite more members, go to the Details section. From here, you can invite members who will then appear in the Billing section. Here, you can select new members and set their cost rates. Let's close this pop-up. As you can see, the project is successfully updated. That's how you can set a member's cost rate in a project. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.